Antarctica. Just the name conjures images of a vast, icy wilderness. It's a place of stark beauty, where towering glaciers meet the Southern Ocean. The continent is almost entirely covered in a thick sheet of ice. It's hard to imagine anything else existing in such a harsh environment. Yet beneath this frozen facade lies a secret history. Antarctica wasn't always a land of ice. Today, scientists drill deep into the ice. They extract cores that reveal clues about Antarctica's past. These cores are like time capsules. They hold trapped air bubbles and ancient pollen. By studying these clues, we can start to piece together a picture of what Antarctica was like millions of years ago. It's a story of dramatic transformation, of a continent once teeming with life. It's almost impossible to imagine, but Antarctica was once warm. Millions of years ago, this frozen land was a very different place. Instead of ice sheets, there were forests. The climate was temperate, even subtropical in some regions. Rivers flowed through lush landscapes, and volcanoes erupted, shaping the terrain. The evidence for this dramatic difference is compelling. Fossils of trees and plants, similar to those found in South America and Australia today, have been discovered in Antarctica. These fossils tell us that Antarctica was once connected to these continents, forming a giant landmass. Antarctica's pre-Ice Age landscape was teeming with life. Dinosaurs roamed the land, leaving behind their fossilized remains as testament to their existence. The surrounding seas were home to a variety of marine reptiles. These creatures thrived in the warmer waters that surrounded the continent. But it wasn't just large creatures that inhabited this ancient landscape. Fossils of insects, amphibians, and even early mammals have also been unearthed in Antarctica. This diverse array of life points to a thriving ecosystem, one that was eventually extinguished by the encroaching ice. Section 4. The Big Freeze. How a paradise turned to ice. So what happened to this vibrant world? Over millions of years, the Earth's climate began to cool. The reasons for this are complex and still debated by scientists. One key factor was the shifting of tectonic plates. Antarctica drifted southward, becoming increasingly isolated. As temperatures dropped, ice began to form. Slowly but surely, the ice sheets grew, expanding outwards from the continent's interior. The lush forests died back, replaced by a barren, icy landscape. The once thriving ecosystems collapsed, unable to adapt to the extreme cold. Section 5. A global shift. Antarctica's impact on a changing world. The transformation of Antarctica from a green paradise to a frozen wasteland had a profound impact on the entire planet. The vast ice sheets reflected sunlight back into space, contributing to global cooling. Ocean currents shifted, affecting weather patterns worldwide. The formation of the Antarctic ice sheet also locked away vast amounts of water. This led to a drop in global sea levels, exposing land bridges and altering coastlines. The effects of this dramatic climate shift were felt across the globe, shaping the world we know today. Section 6. Thawing out the past, facing the future. What lies ahead? Today, Antarctica remains a frozen continent, but it is a place of ongoing scientific discovery. Researchers continue to unearth new fossils and gather data that helps us understand the continent's past and its potential future. As our planet warms due to climate change, the fate of Antarctica's ice sheet hangs in the balance. The melting of this ice sheet would have catastrophic consequences for global sea levels. Understanding Antarctica's past is crucial for predicting its future. By studying the continent's history, we can gain valuable insights into the complex interplay of climate, geology, and life on Earth.